Hello guys, and welcome back for another Fetch AI price prediction analysis video. And Fetch AI continues to see higher prices just like expected, and we have now seen a break above our key area of resistance above the 0.542, flipping it back into support. And on today's update video, I will be discussing a potential breakout scenario, give you key areas of support that we need to pay attention to, and above all discuss my long-term perspective of the chart and reasons as to why I'm still expecting a new all-time high. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video here on the 1 hour chart, I have been observing this additive structure in yellow, where you can see that we have seen a bounce in the formation of this wave 1, seen a pullback in the formation of this wave 2, a bounce in the formation of this wave 3, then we later saw a pullback in the formation of these wave 4, whose minimum target areas we have now fully maximized, and that is the yellow target area that I have marked here on the chart. And you can see that we have now seen a reaction of this target area, giving us a bit of a bounce to the upside in what I believe is the final phase of this 5 wave structure in the formation of this wave 5. And the minimum target areas for the wave 5 were given by connecting the fib extension from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then connecting the Fibonacci's to the high of that wave 3. And on so doing, my first target area was on the fib level 0.618, and that was above the 0.58, an area that we have now fully maximized. And since we have continued to show that momentum to continue pushing higher, then we can have the 618, the 1.618 as our next target area. And that means that we can easily get above the 0.641 in the next coming hours in the formation of these wave 5. And at the moment, I'm also considering that we could also have a high in place in the formation of these wave 5 at the current prices that we have at the moment. And that means that this 5 wave structure over here could be complete. And if by any chance we get a topping structure in the next coming hours, then I will be expecting a bit of a deeper retracement over here in the formation of an additive count 2, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1 that we have at the moment. And remember, this is a moving target. In case we make one more new high, then you will need to connect the Fibonacci's to the new high. And the area that I will pay attention to lies between the fib level 0.382 and the 78, and that is between the 0.521 and the 0.407 as my minimum target area. So in case of any sudden pullbacks or maybe a pullback in the next coming hours, that is the area that we need to pay attention to. And on holding within the area, then Fetch AI should easily give us a bounce in the formation of that wave 3. So that is all that I'm expecting on the short term. Jumping to the weekly chart, I still maintain my bullish bias on Fetch AI, where I have been saying that we got our bear market lows in 2023, saw a bounce in the formation of this wave 1, taking us to new all-time highs above the 3.479. Then we started a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2, fully maximizing the minimum target areas for the second wave between the 1.834 and the 0.572. And at some point, we overshot our minimum target area for the second wave to the lower side, though that should not be an issue. And I'm expecting that in the next coming weeks, we should easily start an aggressive bounce to the upside, see a weekly market structure shift, a break above significant highs, taking us to new all-time highs in the formation of these wave 3, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the Fibonacci's once again like that. And the minimum target area lies on the fib level 1.618, and that lies above the 5.72 as our minimum target area. And based on our current prices that we have at the moment, if we hit that minimum target area, then that will be a perfect 9x to the upside. So that is all that I'm expecting on the Fetch AI chart, and let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will ensure you stay up to date.